Welcome back to another day. What's up, Speak My Wine family? What's up? Happy Friday, happy Friday. Them say Friday a pay day, but not every Friday a pay day. Because you have some people will get paid fortnight. And tomorrow Friday might not fall upon them fortnight. And you have people will get paid mountain. And not every Friday a mountain. But basically, this Friday, well, me no know. Because next Friday a Good Friday, so they might pay the Thursday normally. So I still no mountain Friday. But who get paid every week? Big up on yourself. You understand? What's up, my lovely supporters? All of my supporters, them that bring me this far. You don't know who just come on board to carry me further. Respect and manners to the whole of you. Gratitude is a must. Without owner the channel is nothing at all. You understand? Me just the whole of the channel. Me alone can't watch the channel. I own have to support the channel. You understand? And that's how if you just continue to do the do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please and thanks. Give the video algorithm so YouTube can share the video outside. You understand? And remember to watch the ads. That's what give the channel a revenue. Continue to support my backup channel also. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button over there. Life is a Mission TV, multi-purpose channel, very refreshing channel, family oriented channel. Alright? And remember, the young entrepreneur college student, Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube link is in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription, and if you check my community, you see I repost another family member, which is Tamika Douglas TV. Also give her a subscription. You understand? Send a positive vibes around right across the board. It not cost you nothing. Me cash a pin also in the comment section. $, Life is a Mission TV. You give me take the gift to give back to somebody who is in need. You understand? So bless upon yourself and do the right thing. Mucho. As you know, you have a little Christmas big up, because as I say, gratitude is a must. You know, we have to reach out to the people them who not hear on the name, and all of them got hear on the name. Some of the name might just start a scene in the comment section, you know. So when you feel no way, me send the big up straight across the board. Me know most people might glad to hear when them name call, you know, because me know them thing they're going on. Because before me even a platform all and them thing you go on and me a big up, I want to hear my name call too. You understand? I want to feel like, yes, me's a part of him, see me, she know me. You understand? So me know it go, but me can't call everybody name, and me not can't see everybody name. Plus, if you don't comment on a regular basis, me not gonna recognize your name. Because sometimes with the flash of the eye, you know, probably the picture where the channel where you see, where you comment, or the name you see pop up in front of you every minute you post a video. So if you not comment, me can't know. If you could have watched it 5 years, me not gonna know. You understand? It's all often in the comment. But big up on yourself and support the channel. Nothing wrong with that. The big up was straight across the board. Me know enough people don't really like highlight either. So them just keep a low key and support, because them are support. Because we say support over here, we don't want no fan. You understand? We don't want no ESC. We want supporters. So Christmas big up. Easter big up. Me around the year already. Ermin, Grace Williams, Olive Francis, who this again? Oh, Janella Ram Sandarang Singh. I don't know if I pronounce your name right. Sound like a Trinidadian. Betty Abraham, Mardina Roll, or Mardina Roll, Precious Williams, Theata Thompson, Patricia Rooms or Ooms, whatever the last name they pronounce. Yeah, me should do it. You know, because it sound like me I get out of order. But bless upon yourself. Thank you for the support. You know, just continue to support both of the channels. Anyway, people. Curly, 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 curly. Everybody say curly, curly, curly. Curly, curly, curly. Curly, 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 curly. Curly, 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 dicky, 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 curly, 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 dicky, 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 curly, 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 I get dicky, 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 dicky. Come and say wine for me, curly, just wine for me, dicky, 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 curly, curly, come out, people. And she a come out for blogger again. This time and me though. You have one blogger on YouTube call himself GT.Buzz. Me no know if him work a JPS or carry current make him a buzz. Me no know if him a lava family make him a buzz. Me no know if him in a Buzz Nation. But Curly unplug him and tell him what she want, tell him and talk her mind, bro. And she come out from one little blogger. We have one little vice step on YouTube. What she name? Let me write down her name. Because she Mixup and Blendup, yes. See it write down on paper, yeah. Her name Mixup and Blendup. Curly one she and said to her, say, listen, I see you post my video, but you're going good so far. You're going good so far, but the whole want to come out, you see him way. I see you want 5 more for monetize. Curly, hold on, Curly. Yo, she want 5 more for monetize. She have 3,950 something subscribers. It only take 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours for you to monetize. Oh, you mean she want 5 more? You watch the subscription that she have. That's why you say so, because you say 395. So you say she want 5 more. Well, you have it wrong, Curly. Probably this channel is a monetized channel already, Curly. Because she have 3,950 odd subscribers, Curly. So don't feel like you make she get it, Curly. Because you love come out and come take ownership. Boy, your name. The only place your name stop and can't pass, guy Joan. I don't a pumping station. Your name Joan down the, Curly. Because if your name never Joan, you don't make money off of it. And I tell you, say it's not your name. It's the platform. Because there is so many other platforms out here that carrying your name, Curly. Even this person who you're talking about, Curly. Mixup and Blendup channel. She live by your name, yes, and your content for you. She not dissect, you know. She just play out and see the Curly. The girl not make no great money off of your, Curly. She not make no great money off of your, Curly. So it's not your name, Curly. It's who carry your name on the platform where I carry your name. You understand? Because if I was your name alone, Curly, this girl would get whole heap of views because she just play your content them straight. Anyway, we get in a Curly and give it to GT.Buzz and tell her a piece of mind. Come like the whole of her mind you get GT.Buzz. You never know you ever get a piece of it. You think I'm me alone, Curly had for Curly had phone or two, man. Yes, man.
Richard, me not ask you. I them first reach for your story. Have a looking at my place. You see what me have in here. So might as well not like it. So I try to banter me. But if you not share my contents, I wanna make money with her or not. Send the people over here. Tell us about Marcia every place will give her. Because I wanna reach the series already. Remember, I must say me alone have the smallest out of the big blogger them, you know. I think I'm the only somebody have the smallest number, you know. But me little but me rest follower. Me not ask you. Me have power. There is power in the name of Jesus.
So Curly, you change your mouth now. People say them up, send people come shop with you. You say you don't want nobody buying nothing from you. And you don't want a planketeer and buy nothing from you. And you don't want nobody will support planker buy nothing from you. Because you don't want to support from we. But at the same time, you're crying out for the assistant now. Because most of who carry your content might be a said aside. You understand? And the few we might not say that side where you carry your name, them alone can make you sell out at the whole storeroom and sitting there where you say you have. So, me no know, they probably not Rattan or Roach not take them up this time, but mildew, blue Jew, pink Jew, red Jew, all kind of Jew go and take them up. Because them go in there and pack up in there, cool time take them, warm time take them, and that's how things mildew. Because when them cool, them intend to get moist. And after them get moist, Curly, you see when the time get hot and get hot upon them, that's how they mildew. The hot and the cold. You know, that moist form into mildew. So rat might not take them up because probably the place where them then are rat infested or roach infested. So anyway you can take the sale from Curly, put your pride aside and take it. Ask sorry, it said Planka Nation to come out, come support me. Come out. If I have 5 of them Curly will take the joke and drama and support you. But not much going to come out Curly. Curly not much. And a serious note, not much going to support you.
To
Them
break every
despise you.
chain, to break every chain.
Break it chain,
There
Marcia,
is
break it.
healing in the name of Jesus. To break every chain. Yes, man, come on.
Break
Yeah, so I
every
can't share everything. I
chain.
don't come. Me say, me go over YouTube, you know. I'm here to talk about it. That little batty boy we then call GT.Buzz or whatever you want to call him, or Buzz TV or whatever you want to call him. Use nothing but a little boom bye-bye. You boy. The boy over there call me bad man and grudgeful for my own contents. Say me no want nobody share my contents and people and make money and me bad mind them. And me bad mind me grudgeful. So you mad sick or what?
You must be predator, brother. Mad, sick, head no good.
You share my
From
video. You have my
head
picture
no good.
plaza up all
From
over your
jungle
page
to
to draw
Rima.
people to your
Head no
page.
good.
Now you get yourself establishment and I make 2 little shilling. Eh? So you can make money for mine your 2 little drive for pitney and look if you have none.
You see it? Everything you involve people pick me. You understand? You do the same thing to me. Cause you feel like say, your name make the people them make money. And when you come out and talk, you have to make money, yes. Yeah, make 2 little shilling, and I might name, I can't make 2 little shilling to feed the hungry belly, pitting them, you dry food, pitting them, you this, you pitting them, you that, pitting them. Why I couldn't feed, better they said to feed my hungry belly woman. Because my woman would probably be not probably, my woman would be an adult. Despite my woman not business in this night, you know. But you refer to an adult. Because if me a feed me my hungry belly dry food pitney them, you know. A underage pitney them there, you know. Them not reach the age of consent yet. Them not reach adult age yet. You understand? But as somebody draw your row me and your CJ across them platform, whether sun a shine, rain a fall or snow a fall, it hit your nerves and you come out, you come chat. And I remember say, you come out, you come chat about people picnic.
And you having nerve to come and tell me say me bad mind because me no want anybody share my content and other people I use it and me I go on like me go the 2 shoes and I want to use the YouTube channel but yet me a bad mind. It's not them bumbleclad content is mine. You're too fucking enough for out order. It is not yours and it's not nobody else. You can't come tell me some bad mind and go through my own fucking contents if me no want anybody use it. If it's not, and I like so now I use it in a positive light. We're only using it to drag me down. It's not saying you use it for educational purposes or even, but you use it for drag me down.
With drag you down. Which part of there? Nobody a drag you down. Move.
And your disrespectful headline.
Move from there. Nobody a drag you down. You don't know what I
fucking nerve come and call me caca eye. My name Marcia Campbell. Highly blessed and highly favored. Blessed and highly favored. And no weapon formed against me shall prosper. You too ungrateful. Look how much time you come over there come talk about me. And put up a picture on your page. And follow fashion. And follow fashion the boy a good suit boy. Because one day you're going to crumble. And then you have a nerve. A big man like you. Or a workless boy like you. Have the nerve for you call big man caca eye.
So when you put your platform, I call people all kind of name, Marcia, and tell people which part of your suck them fi come suck, which part of your lollipop them fi come lick, which part of your ice cream with the strawberry or the raspberry or the rum and raisin, which part them fi come lick off of the cone. Nobody now say that no, Marcia. So when somebody come out and say something about you, you have a problem. The amount of things you have said about people who even looking at you, people who not talk to you, people who even want to see you, people who even want to hear you. You call them all sort of name. But as somebody call your name now, you have a problem. So the man, him one big man too. Eh? Just like how you feel like you're your own big man to call people all kind of things. Oh. I'm a big man. So I'm supposed to know say him not to call your caca eye if you have respect. You expect that from careless boy or little boy. Okay. So we expect you to do better also. Because if you want this man, yeah, we are big great tone man if you do better. And you have big great tone man and you not do better. It don't make no sense you talk caca eye. Just go and take the nickname them and go and call people your nickname them. So if that you come out you come vent pan. You don't have no strong grounds of vent caca eye. Check the woman down a Mountain View. The amount of name you call her. The amount of style you style her. For somebody where you were acquainted with. I don't think GT.Buzz was ever acquainted with you. So with him a style you and call you a kind of name. It not really look no way because I'm a big man. Him can't free for do what he want to do. For him not physically trouble you. You understand? Mm-hmm. Yes. But feel like all you know we're acquainted with that woman for a short period of time. And I'm glad it never go long. Trust me, I'm glad it never go long. Because if it was so short and the spirit of Zion run through our vein and tangle up into our blood and stay inside of us and said, stay far. Stay far. Spirit not like you at all. And the acquaintance mash up quick. If you did ever get a little longer chance. And you can come on your platform and talk about this woman, discriminate this woman in the manner how you do. You not supposed to come out and come tell nobody say no calling on name. Move.
You know much I want a family out there. Have high problem and I have kind of problems. I want to behaving like someone in a high school or kindergarten. No high school, not even a behave. So like I want some big workless dead dick man out there behave. Eh? You're disrespectful. But yet you're using my contents to mine you and paying your bills.
What is disrespectful? Oh, disrespectful spell. I want to know if it have a different way or you interpret it or how you spell it. You don't tell me in a comment. Me don't know it spell. Remember, me never go school. Them shut me out of Sunday school.
Look how much videos and stuff you have critique about me. And put my picture to get crowd. But yet when you're addressing me, you come and call caca eye. Caca eye what? Caca eye what? Are you batty hole? Caca are you damn dead dick we have on your foot? Are you stinking parasite mouth? At that cock. Your dirty teeth the way I have my own dirty. Me got a dentist a week ago. And the dentist looked at me while she's brushing my teeth and clean my teeth. Miss Campbell, you have perfect teeth and no cavity.
So Miss Campbell, couldn't you have recorded that for us, please? Why you can't record those things? You always come and talk about the compliments you get on the roadside, at the physicians, at the stores, at the restaurant, and as you trot along, you get so much compliment, and you never can record these compliments. We know you're a big liar, Miss Campbell. So we're not going to believe you, Miss Campbell. You need to record these compliments. Because me don't know one woman can get compliments. So every move, you get compliment. You understand? Everywhere you go and tangle with people, it's just be a good compliment. And you never can have it on record. You have to come tell us. And you know we not believe you. Move from there.
I'm 51 years old. So when you hear a dentist tell you that, you must know, so you take good care of your teeth so my mouth not stink. Because I brush my teeth every time I eat, and I have 2 different mouthwash. When I wash, I clean my mouth because I want it with me. Hygiene is very important.
So your mouth not stink curly. What you do with 2 different mouthwash? You prevent or you try get rid of? 2 different mouthwash? That sound like you try get rid of something curly. That not prevent. Like all of me, I want me have. And I never use it regular because brushing my teeth is enough. Because I have nothing to try get rid of. more I prevent. So me use it now and again. You know, get rid of the germs or some and each up around one corner around there. Some, you know. But when you have two different mouthwash, I use curly. No, sir. You not prevent nothing. I get you, try get rid of something. So how the dentist tell you say your mouth not think. Me not understand that. And you have to use two different mouthwash plus toothpaste.
You understand? So anybody mouth with cock your dead thick cock where you can't use. I never seen nothing like this over there using people contents and have the nerve disrespecting people. Where did disrespect I go? If you continue going to hell, you ain't going nowhere. You supposed to be a man, you talk Trump, so maybe you have a little pitney if you're not a pitney in the future. Be careful where you call people. Today fear tomorrow because a lot of babies nowadays them are born disabled and disfigured in many ways. Especially since the corona. So be careful because remember, say if you have children, they're gonna have children too. You understand? And death is in the power because when I'm gonna talk about me, I send it right back to you and your generation. So any caca highway you call me, I send it back right on you and your children. From first to second generation. May them yai come cock too and worse than mine. You understand? Disrespectful. The boy I'll use all the content now open up him second channel. I have the nerve to discriminate me. You can't, what kind of man you is? Go work. Go and work to make extra money. You only pick up for one somebody out here.
So no extra money man I make you, Marcia. Marcia extra money man I make you know. And I work, you have to work to make it see way. Because I have to find time to put the content together or whatsoever. Edit the content whatsoever. So I work, you have to work to make extra money see me curly. Unlike you have about 4 or 5 channels and you not make $1.
Only one side. You know, split justice, none at all. Just because of money.
Clean out, now go for dirty out there, Marcia. And if a person clean out it certain way and see you, them not come near your Marcia, because your heart dirty. Dirty heart can't sweep with broom. Just remember that, Marcia. Dirty heart can't sweep with broom. No, it can't sweep with broom.
Just because of the little YouTube money.
And that's your biggest problem, you know.
You can't call me
That's your biggest problem that where people are making off of YouTube and you know make
show
money.
off myself before me come up and come use up my channel and because me want the money. So just because I me want money, that's me say me going to downgrade myself to get money?
You know if you downgrade yourself, you tell us months ago. When you get a new place, you go cook. Have a cooking show. You go so boom, you have a little cooking show while you rack up a couple of views. You know cook every day, man, but we don't know say you're lazy and nasty. So you don't want to cook and clean up at the kitchen. And then now, because in the kitchen you do most of your video, you know we might end up see the dirty plate them in the sink like Lorraine or her husband come bad up about the dirty plate them in the sink. So you don't want to cook until you're in the mood where you know so when you're done cook you wash up back. So you continue to buy food on the road. But what me I say, you promise us that you is going to have a cooking show when you get a good clean nice kitchen. Because the one before never clean. All kind of roach feces upon the wall, chichi and yam down the place, all kind of oil splash up, you know, you kill much mosquito upon the wall, you know, and the place stay away. So you never want to cook in the kitchen. Now you get a good nice clean kitchen where you almost turn your bedroom. You know cook man. Cook man. And make some money too. And stop watching other YouTuber make and worry about what YouTuber make and worry about your name and people I use. Because me say your name is not what carrying the weight, Marcia.
If I come this far, God will provide for me. Same God Almighty way. So if I me want to come on YouTube, come pretend like a hooligan, it's not gonna happen. So nobody come tell me say me need the money. You don't know what me need for women I need. Me need Jesus, and as long as you have Jesus, you have everything.
If you don't have Jesus
Because
already,
the
you
top
not get him
provider
again.
give me the best.
You know too late so you need Jesus. If you never end up in this hard deal before the winter and chop, you have to fend off the winter, to survive. You don't know so you need Jesus. A long time you need Jesus and you don't see that, Because you feel like all way that do, you could have do it alone. You never need that man above. But this whole eviction, where you have to leave your things in a house, not by will but by force. And a little assistant come by and took a shilling where you might did have children in your corner or your back. You could have afford to catch up in our hotel. You take shame out of your eye because you don't want to go sister. You don't want to go brother. And you don't want to sleep in a van because you don't know who might pass and take your picture. And Jesus, please, that wouldn't be pretty. That wouldn't be pretty because it's the BBC, CNN, everywhere to that day. So you take shame out, shame face, brave it up, and go spend out the liquor you have in a hotel. You understand? So a long time you need God, Marcia. Not just now.
You understand? So not bother with it. Me need everybody them say me poor and me don't have nothing. Yet from me move out of Woodland Village, I live in the best building then.
We now see that one here, so
You
we can't
understand?
say yes or no.
It's only people who have money coming at them a place, yeah. You understand? So you tell me now, how is it that me desperate? Huh? How is it that me desperate?
Marcia make it clear so she have money. So all I know we love run go give her money when she come out a big dinner. She come out a big this, year fear, tear fear, this year fear. Remember, she just declare so she have money. Alright.
I'm worse off than anybody else. How is it? How is it that me worse off than anybody else? Huh? You tell me. Huh?
GT.Buzz.
How is it?
Come on,
Me name
Marcia.
Marcia Campbell. Grow your ass up and respect me. Because I'm putting money in your pocket, Negro boy. Respect me.
That's how I want you stop say.
First you're gonna talk about
So you
Marcia
put
Campbell
money
and
in
then you
your
go in there
pocket
call
and not put money
Kaka
in your one. You have food, so.
Kaka my fault. Me know say my man look for me. Him say nothing but beauty. And him now worry about the Kaka eye. Him worried about my personality, what both of us have to give each other, and the nice pussy when I get.
Marcia, what me not think? Your man turn on the light and take off your clothes? Me not think that one dog turn on the light and take off in the dark, Marcia. Marcia, you don't take off your clothes. Man, like the light lock off long time. And at dark you take off your clothes, Marcia. Me not think you have on the light when you take off the clothes, Marcia. Me not think so. So don't come out here come brag and boast, Marcia. Don't come out here come brag and boast. I don't think you have on no light when you take off your
I'm
clothes.
surely know for work. So him never seen no Kaka eye. He never seen nothing like that.
Only see the
Him
light
get
like
lots of love and kissing and attention and fucking affection. I may get it too. And he getting a nice pussy queen that make him mama. Yes. Good company. Where you getting? You not see the Kaka eye? Eh? It means the Kaka eye.
Marcia, what kind of queen you talk about, Marcia? Marcia, I don't think you have no muscles, Marcia. No muscles no down there, Marcia. No muscles no down there, Marcia. You have to have muscles down there for queen, Marcia. The little exercise when I see I do from why you can't bring back the walls of Jericho and the muscles of Samson. I don't think so. The two could do to exercise I can't bring back the muscle of Samson. And no wall of Jericho. So what kind of queen you talk about, Marcia? You have seen if you queen, Marcia? I must see a kakaya here, queen. I can't down there so you talk about queen. That can't queen, Marcia.
If it was discriminating, I left me long time because I hot boy. He would have surely blood clot left me long time. That's mean said it, have and then stop kiss these nice, sexy raw lips. It call like my lip I get long nowadays, Before say my lip it look a little. You notice that my lip I get a little bit long. It look like me I get too much raw kiss. So if I make that man that kiss me up so. Cause one time the lip then little then used to look a little fluffy, But me know say from him I kiss off this blood clip me. It's one young girl over there, me I watch you. I'm watching you very keenly.
Yes, man. Here I know I don't want this little girl I know. I mean, even if a little girl are big man, but she have a little unique voice. Name, look on the paper again. What's she name? Oh, Mixup and Blendup. Yeah, Mixup and Blendup. One channel over YouTube with one girl. She always in one eyeglass. Yep, on her channel. Stay up. Yes, man. Here I want the girl now. So she a beat and she a won.
I see you share every video with me. So far you've been very respectful in your videos. But me know you soon change. Me know you soon change. Because everybody does that.
Wow.
When they reach a destination. Yes, but me see you. I see you. Me see you telling people to go buy my business. Also. Yes.
That you want to?
But maybe one day me will spare you. But all me can advise you. You soon reach your mark of 4,000. You understand? But all me can advise you, that young lady with that voice, stay out of trouble. Being mixed up on YouTube is not going nowhere. And take.
Hear Miss Advice. I gotta give advice, And she can advise herself. Listen her, because she must need Miss Advice.
Inside. You must be your own individual. Don't follow the people on YouTube. You can create other things. There's many different ways. You don't have to take sides. It is not good to take sides to reach a destination. Follow God and follow your heart. You seem to have a very nice voice in whatever you're speaking into. All you have to do is to come up with your own interpretations and your experience of things and talk to people. You don't even have to share the people contents. I am sure that you can come up with your own individual styles, motivation, and talk from life experience.
Advise her curly, but you can't advise yourself.
I watch you like a hawk. But I notice every video me do, you drop by, you soon reach, you soon get monetized. I think you have like 5 more to go.
Because you see the girl, 3,950 something. She said the girl soon monetize. So basically, when the girl reach 4,000 subscribers, she'll come tell you, say, a fair video they make the girl get monetized. Which the girl have 3,950 subscribers, me say. We should only need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I don't know if I watch hours she a mix up. But as me say, she soon come claim fame again. Say as she make one more YouTuber monetize. This is not Queen was.
I think you have 5 more to go. I don't know who run that channel. I think you have 5 more to go. But me I watch you like a hawk. Yes, me watching you.
Oh, you
I
mean?
watch you.
Because you want to claim to fame, And you make she monetize.
But these people nowadays are
And
coming
this channel is supposed to be a monetized channel by
Some of them
now.
expect say they want to come and they want to call a name. But it's not going to work. Eventually the whole of them going to turn on pound like African bees. You don't find yourself in a mix-up. If you don't have to stay out to social media and learn from the mistake and learn and see what go on. There's no loyalty out here. I can advise you stay in your own lane.
So when you know so no loyalty now out here? I look at Cascas you are going recently make you know so no loyalty now out here? No loyalty now out here a long time. God bless the few people who are loyal out here. You understand? But if them only voice note, they never did a leak. You want them to say you never know all of this? Say all of them people that were your leak heads you than a farmer lie with. Them is just one bagger, like a bag of garbage. Tie up waiting for the rubbish truck. You never know that. All of them the voice note they have to leak. All of them they are going with you see and know and hear. You never assess it and know so well nothing no go so. Even when you join with them and them a try to jog your own corner and push around this and tell you what to say and tell you how to do this, and you never look into your own self and say, no sir. But no, me come closer to them. It not seems like with them a talk about and the allegations are real. And all the evidence with them say them have pan this lady. Me not think them have nothing because it's coming like see them a draw me around corner, whisper in my ears and tell me something where me know sir, no so it go. You still never feel like say them no loyal. You did still have them loyal. But now through everything about out, you want this girl about loyalty. Your worst no loyal because you did end up top sell the woman putting her after the first time she get it. And you see the sales and the numbers, oh people just want it. You tell the woman you never want anymore because you're going to bake some for yourself. What you never think about doing that long time. You understand? But because you see the woman name out there, and that's the same reason why you try to get close to this woman. Because you see the support and power we should have in a social or have in a social media. So you try to jump on the bandwagon early. You understand? Because you want to use the woman name after you a big deal out how much decades. You want to come use one rookie name to sell your products. Create products to sell. And when the woman get your putting for sell and you see it sell off and people just attack and a call her, when then done, people are call you. You go find somebody for bake. Because you can't bake, you can't cook. You no can't rig up. And me don't know what becomes of the amount or the batches that you make. But I don't think was enough. And it's like the business fail. Because the people them want auntie dan and yam bad cake. Them never want curly cockeye yam good cake. Them want auntie dan and yam bad cake. I hear nothing more about the business. So basically I use only the one use the woman from day one. So you don't have no loyalty.
Stay in your own lane and don't form alliance with nobody. Because nobody at social media is loyal. None of these bloggers are loyal. You understand? And you can go over YouTube, you go over TikTok and Reel and big things too. You all
Me can't tell you say me loyal. And if me loyal to you, once you're loyal to me, me loyal to you for life till death do us part. And if me and you have any little difference, that no means my loyalty gone. If it's a case that me have to go my way and you go your way, so be the case. Me now go come out and come tell you say me dey give you one bottle of soda for quench your thirst 2 years ago when you nearly drop down and your throat dry and you never have a dollar to buy. Me now go come out and come tell you say me dey help you do this and me dey help you do that. The loyalty stands and the friendship walk. What me say? When you loyal to somebody who you call your friend, when anything happen, what me just say a while ago, the loyalty stands and the friendship walk. Because loyalty means loyalty. You understand? The only way you will get me to be unloyal now or disloyal or whatsoever, Chris Royal or Golden Royal, is when, as me say, the friendship walk, but the loyalty stand, and my friendship me I walk with it, but yet till you stand up here so I drag me down. That simply means your loyalty no stand. So in defense of myself, whatever I have to do, I'm not going to talk about me I play the bigger person now. Because me already play the bigger person by telling myself say, loyalty stand despite what we have. But the friendship I walk. Me already play the big person role there, so I just you to complete the role and play it also and just walk with your friendship and left the loyalty right so. But you choose not to do that. You choose to stay right so with the loyalty and your friendship of yourself and try to tear me down and talk what you do for me from what you not do for me. But you not come tell the people them what me do for you from what me not do for you. So I will have to be the one now to come out and play the same game where you play. Because I have to defend myself and I have to make sure my dignity and character being defended by come and tell the people them why you did give me the Listerine and I think me out the thing. I tell you say me I go buy one because I like have it in my bathroom. And you say you have two, so you give me one. And not show you did smell me mouth make you give me. But you come by your platform and say that's why you did give me the Listerine because me talk and me mouth thing. And when you go around the sun gonna away with me, everybody are kin up them because no, I never saw. So me I go come out, come tell you people them and tell who want hear why you did give me the Listerine. Alright. So only never loyal. But me loyal, me can't tell you that.
So can pick things from the news.
But loyalty
and
go
share.
both ways.
You don't have to talk about us or anybody. Pick something from the news. Pick something from your community where you are.
Yeah, she give this girl advice and she not do it.
Inform the people them. People that on YouTube and Facebook. Some of them don't know what's going on. So if you do home and hear about a little news, you can clip you out and put it on there.
You have so much platform and you not do none of this with none of your platform. All of your platform is the same thing over and over you do. And if you go upon one where you say you try to build it there, follow me over Marcia ever bless, and you go over there and say, boy, okay, this is what I'm going to do over there, and you go over there, the same drama you carry over there. The same drama you carry over there. Because what? If you don't carry drama over there, you say 3 or 5 or 10 or 20 somebody upon your life, you don't feel good. So you have to carry drama because you want to see 30 and 40 and 50. But you come and give people advice.
You can search newspaper and stuff and put it out and speak about it. Because the people nowadays, all they want to know is speak about negativity and each individual. Anything about it is the worst thing they know about it. Because people want to come on social media and showcase certain things. And behind closed door, they are suffering. They don't even have a dollar, some of them. Them come out and cuss me and say, me poor, me not have nothing. And them poorer than me. Some of them not even have money to send Jamaica get them to school picnic, if they go to school. Them don't have the money, they don't owe how much rent. Them getting eviction, them get all kind of something, then they pay welfare and they come up here and cost me. Because they want somebody to validate their life. And they come up here and pretend like everything is dandy shandy. When some of them are hurting inside, one little man to go massage them.
Tell it to them, Marcia, because you have been through it. You have been hurting for the past, what we in now? January, February, March. 3 months, we're going into April, 4 months. And you have been hurting from probably about half of the year last year. So 4 and 6, about 10 months. For the past 10 months, can't call it a year. You have been hurting. And now you don't eat it. Because you just leave a hotel. And when you sit down and reflect back on all these thousands and hundreds of dollars that you have spent being into a hotel for over 3-4 months from December, you say, and you reflect back on how much money and what you could have do with it, that is like salt in your own. It pains your heart, it burns you. But who's to be blamed? Nobody but yourself. Because if you did that thing conscious, you wouldn't have end up in a hotel, Marcia. For somebody with their foreign so long, you wouldn't have end up in a hotel. You have people who tell you that them they're foreign 3-4 years, 5 years. And them own place. Whether a mortgage them pay or them don't pay a mortgage or what. That's still a stepping stone. Instead of you sit down and pay rent all the day of your life and you cannot carry that place or sell that place or own that place at no time. Rent you pay. Rent and mortgage a mortgage. At some point in time you're going to own that place so you pay a mortgage. So rent and mortgage a mortgage. So your priority, you never set your priority straight. That's why you end up how you end up. You understand? People that are foreign less time than you and achieve more than you.
And then don't have nothing and you hope the girl have one. You understand? So you look at the ratio and look at life. But have to trust in the Lord. Lean not to no understanding how we give him thanks and praise. Said, no matter how it is. Make them come out here and cuss and judge. But my advice to the new bloggers, don't take sides out here because you know one side is bigger than one. Me no in a joint alliance with nobody, boy. Me in a class by myself. You hear me speak? I can quote and chat about any sex argument. Them not chat like me. Me no hold tongue, boy. Because I have nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. Them already don't bring me down, carry me up, dash me this or dash me that. I'm like I'm a seed. I grow.
You're a stunted seed, you know, grow. No pharma chemical, manure, fertilizer, your seed can't bust to grow. It's not like no seed. Any seed is like it's a bad seed. And we all know what is a bad seed. A bad seed cannot grow. No amount of fertilizer, no pharma chemical, manure can't grow your seed. Don't come out here come tell nobody boy is like a seed.
You can't kill me. You dash me this so you talk about me, I'm going to pop up somewhere. I'm going to pop up with a beer, orange, a banana, hockey, and saltfish. I'm popping up somewhere. Me's purpose. Purpose cannot die.
It's like a sea stone.
You understand?
Can't grow.
So
You're a river
I have a
stone.
purpose in my life.
You can't grow.
And from me a young girl, me a do good.
Pretty river stone.
So
that
me
she
never
swears
come
she
for
a
this earth
seed.
for
She a river
just
stone.
whatever. I have
She
a
can't
purpose.
grow.
And me did my time and my share of time already and my share of giving. Now it's my time. I just live in a little time.
See ya.
A little time when me
I
can
have any
live.
record
One
of
day
your
the time
share
say
of
Jesus.
giving.
I'm just glad
More
to be
than
turn
this
50
whole
years.
ton load of old clothes and pantry food where you carry guy your little parish where you live in. To the people them desperate them take it till years after the people them start wise up. As some make you stop your local charity, because the people them wise up and realize all them your pantry food there where you carry come. Tomato in a sauce, tomato in a juice, this here being white, being black, being pigeon, being yellow, being all kind of being jankro, being all kind. People them not used to them they sitting in them Marcia. And the old dashiki them when used to carry come down, come give the woman them. And some pants, big salt tree, somebody down at your parish can hold night. You know no big fat somebody down at your parish. Or be a slim somebody. And you bring out some pants, come give the little boy them down there big so. Not even bigger food that can't fit him if he carry got tail or got all tight. And the people them wise up. And start running away with your whole pantry food where you can't come and go and you spend your hard working money in America. You understand? Carry down barrel come give them. When I be a free things, you go to say you go pick up that, you go to say you beg that your friend give you that and you pack them in a barrel send down and go and like all money you take by them. Move! The people them get wise up and run away. Tell the people them say that's why you have to stop keep the charity down there. What you claim to say you keep or you we call it fear or what we are Christmas tree. Treat, yeah, treat.
The 6th of February and she did the 7th of February. After she just got a funeral, got a funeral for her co-worker 1 week prior, a few days. And then same co-worker, I told them go on one cruise ship together. And he's a man, and dead in him sleep. Young man too. So let me tell you something. So now they are behaving because of the way. You don't know what can happen. I will not tell me so one 24-year-old boy drop down dead. One of my friends that tell me.
So what's new you're talking about? What's new you're telling us?
I'm not afraid of nobody, boy.
You're not telling nothing new. I don't know nothing so we don't know. Baby a born and pass, so
if somebody take me, they might take me. I'm not afraid of nobody. I go anywhere I want to go without hesitation.
Oh no, listen her again, you know, people. She continue, as me say, if you bait up this little money and the man a take it bait. Because she a tell you say the man a done a Hartford and she a tell you say the man a done a Jamaica. Me want to know which sensible Dana go pick you up. Right now, not even Jim Brown, and if Jim Brown rise so much for him there right now, now look for you. Claude, he must up realize right now, him now look for you. So, me no know what kind of Dana pick up you. So this a Dana desperate, so. Him a done and him have 2 shillings and pick up you were broke, so. You when no qualities about you. You were expose all of your bad qualities on social media. And him a done. He nah no taste, man. He nah no taste. Him coming like some fresh cane. Him coming like gripe water. Let me say? Him coming like gripe water and nah no taste. To pick up somebody like you. What kind of done him could have be? You no listener.
Any pussy want come test them test. Them not getting nothing because me don't have nothing left give them. Them can't take the body, they can't take the soul. So me no response for nobody.
She get in there,
Me
just
tell you
wait.
already say I am talking to a man and him doing ramp. He run things up hard for there and he run things at Jamaica, which part him there. Which part him come from.
So basically she tell you say her man are done. But I frighten she want frighten people in a social media. You can't frighten nobody in a social media. I tell you every little corner shop you go where you expect to be restaurant and grocery shop you buy sugar, rice and flour. You can't get piece of high and left too. Yes man. And if you go around the higgler around there so we sell orange and banana and sweetie and cigarette and whistler, you can't get piece of iron. It's not like in the 80s where you have to run to man feet. Everybody have it. So believe that.
And if me mention a name, me I tell him I say, oh no, be say me I chat to. And me I say to myself, say, me no free him he will tell me, say Marcia, if you go call me, me send my friend away. Me say no, I'm going about business, me walking with the Lord. You understand? They more call me.
Call me, Marcia, make us send security details for you. I need to beef up your security. Police Commissioner, Prime Minister Joe Biden. You're supposed to have 5 different vehicles to you know, so they're not supposed to know which one you're in. Beef up our security there. Security detail, Marcia, get you know. Man offers Marcia security details. Marcia, you think gone, man, you're supposed to like BG.
I'm walking with the Lord. Me not do nobody Nobody's supposed to do me. The this world long time. I'm business by myself. Me not need nobody carrying the man to go away with me. You understand? So I don't fear no evil for the what with me. They rather they start they comfort me. Me not see the reason why me can go out and go about my business. As me normally go, because me not trouble people. Me not do nobody nothing. So why should I fear to go out for what reason? If me want to go up on weekend.
So what you do is look on it as simple thing, but the people them where you trouble,
me never know some other people things. If you're afraid to go out by road, me say someone who not tell me say, Marcia, be careful. Be careful of what? Be careful of what?
The paparazzi.
Things. Them who go hell, not me. Them is going to go to jail, not me. Them who go to prison, not me. So why should I afraid to feed in my house? Nobody now intimidate me if I go about my business. I mean talk already, I mean not talk with what in my mouth. Anyone, any day, me go out, me and my friend, and me see any blogger share any picture, any photograph, or any video on them page. Anybody first shared on them page, you will meet the consequence. And I'm going to tell you, any one of the bloggers out there, I am telling you straight up, if I am out with my friend and you take picture, and anyone I want to show it on the page first, I wanna get the deal. Whether somebody said, so just be careful. When time when you see me and my man friend out, I'm gonna take it, come and test him the fucking ramp.
Move.
And don't believe him not gonna find you.
Move.
He's gonna find you now. Me not ask him. And if you don't find him, I find somebody phone.
Move. Fear can't. Where you want to? I come here want to come drive fear in social media people. You can't drive fear in nobody. Marcia. Go hide the little ugly face. Go wait to another long time days crocus bag and wet it and cover your face so it have weight. So when you try to get up the weight of the crocus bag, try to wet and hold you down. Cover your face in a wet crocus bag. Speak my mind people, thanks for watching. Fear you come for driving at people. You can't drive no fear on nobody. Move. How are you? You don't know what to do. Do the do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels, Speak Mind Entertainment, which is this channel. If you have not yet subscribed and you're watching, hit the subscription button. And if you already do so and you have not yet subscribed to my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, please go ahead and hit the subscription button now and support that channel. Great things is in store for that channel. Just continue to grow the channel and be with the channel. So when you see that channel really reach certain place and certain heights, you can see certain sightseeing and certain outdoor vlog and cooking on the riverside, you can see on there from day one. Don't wait till it starts when you run come. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Oh, remember the young entrepreneur link of our channel is in my community. No, my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. And my family, Tamika Douglas TV, in the community, give them a subscription. It now costs $1. Alright? Cash up pin, same place in the comment section, $. Life is a mission TV. Happy Friday. You can't be good. Be careful. Remember, I always tell you no. Be careful of your surrounding. Be careful of who you have close to you. You know. Remember. Sieve and sieve and sieve. And I talk about oh you have me back. Me can tell you this. Keep your privacy to yourself. Anything you talk away can talk. Trust no one. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.